Hi guys, welcome to Simply Hike. So now we're going to be taking a look at the North Face McMurdo Jacket. So this is a warm, waterproof jacket. It's got a decent length to it, so you've got plenty of coverage, and it's got pockets kind of all over it. Let's take a closer look. So starting up around the neck, so it has a hood. As you can see, it has a faux fur lining, so that's going to help prevent the sort of the wind and the snow from coming in. But this is removable if you don't like that. If you're not into that, you can just unpop that, and then you have a waterproof hood, which is also lined, so you've got a bit of an insulation around your head as well. Moving down from that, then we go down to around the neck. So this is padded and very soft against your neck, so it's not going to rub, it's not going to get uncomfortable. Moving down, the main zipper, full length zipper going all the way up sort of around your kind of chin, so if the wind really picks up, you can sort of protect yourself, and it's poppered all the way down as well. Undoing the zipper, really quick and easy, and then on the inside you can see how it's semi-quilted, so this is protecting the sort of internal lining, which is 550 down, from kind of shifting around, so you've got plenty of insulation and it's not going to move around, get any cold spots. It's going to stay nice and warm for a unique sort of even coverage all over. On the inside, you have one zippered pocket for your wallet, your keys, whatever you want, and that's quite a decent size. My whole hand fits inside of that, so you can fit plenty inside of that. You also have a little multimedia sort of attachment point here, so this is for your headphone cables. With me, mine are always going all over the place, I can never find them, but you just kind of clip them into the side of here, and that just holds it so you know exactly where it is. Just zip that up quickly. Other than that, very simple on the inside. Right down at the bottom, you've got some sort of bungee cable that you can tighten up, and that's just going to keep it so that the wind doesn't go up underneath it and chill you out, so you can sort of tighten that yourself. Okay, looking at the front, just going to do up a few poppers just to keep its shape. So starting over the chest, so we've got this section here, which is a little bit of covering, but there isn't a pocket in there. It's a side access pocket, so we don't really know what that's for. I think it's just for style, because you've got a little zippered pocket, and that kind of goes into the side, and that's huge. You've got plenty of space inside of that, and inside there, you actually have another sort of bungee cord adjustment, and that's for kind of around your waist, so you can really get it nice form fitted, so it's close to you and you haven't got any sort of air sort of flushing around inside you. So zip that back up. Moving down towards the waist, big pockets. This does have a Velcro sort of flap opening, plenty of space inside of that for a map or whatever you want inside of that. Really big pockets, so plenty of space. And then behind that, but still on the outside, more side access pockets, but on the inside of these, you've got a sort of fleecy, it's a softer material, so this is a hand warming pocket just to keep your hands nice and warm if you're not wearing gloves. Zippered closing on that one, and that sort of zips up from the bottom. The tag's kind of stuck on this one, but you get the idea. So really for your keys and your valuables, you can put it inside of that. Because it zips up from the bottom, they're less likely to fall out if they're not fully zipped up. So taking a look at the sleeves now, so the sleeves going down, we can see we've got the insulation continues all the way down your sleeves, so your hands stay and your arms stay nice and warm, and Velcro adjustments, so again just stopping the wind from flushing in and out. Turning it all the way around, you can see the hood itself, same styling, and then the poppers, you can remove that faux fur lining if that's not what you're into, and then sort of pull it up. You can kind of see that you can remove that hood if you don't want the hood at all, you just kind of want a jacket. Now it's turned around, you can kind of see this extra pocket that's on your kind of left arm, on your upper arm, Velcro again, so you can keep something sort of out of the way but still quick access. So all in all, it's a really sort of big, it's fairly sort of fluffy, nice and big and puffy sort of jacket, but because it's sort of natural waterfowl down, you've got plenty of natural insulation, and because it's that kind of semi-quilted design, that's going to stop it from all shifting around and collecting in one spot, so you're going to stay nice and warm all over, and because it's waterproof, if the weather turns bad, you're still covered. This is the North Face McMurdo Jacket. Thanks for watching and happy trails.
The last thing to remember, comfort is key. So you found the right pair of walking shoes that you think that you like. They're nice and supportive, and you haven't really bothered too much about the colouring. It's all about the comfort. Now the good thing about walker boots, some say that they, they really work straight out the box. In some cases they are like that, but what you need to remember as well,